Hello, I'm meteorologist Ryan Leach, and this is the weather planning briefing for Sunday, December 10th. First up, we'll start out with the weather impacts matrix, or the weather threat matrix. Currently, today on Sunday, we have some snow. We're expecting that to kind of taper off throughout the day, and there'll be a little bit of lingering effect with some snow at the passes in north central Idaho and west central Montana going into Monday, as well as just some general snow across the rest of the region. That'll be tapering off with just again a little bit of snow at the passes lingering in north central Idaho and down in Limhi County, Idaho. Then we're going to go under the influence of a ridge, which is where we're all green here. There's not much winter weather impacts. Then a little wave moves through on Thursday with some more snow at the passes, and then we're looking pretty good again for Friday. So first up, some snowfall amounts coming through tomorrow evening. We've got a range here on the left. These are the low end, so you're looking at generally less than an inch up at the passes at Lookout Pass and Lost Trail Pass and Missoula. That's Missoula, Kalispell, all those areas. That's a low end forecast. And then sort of the high end, the high range of what we expect is, again, at most places less than an inch. Missoula less than an inch over what we've already had today on Sunday. But even up at Lookout Pass, we're only looking at another couple inches. So really just not that much snow coming through with the remainder of this system. After that, though, as we start to head into Tuesday and Wednesday, we're looking at a pretty potent ridge build into the area. It's going to be what we call a dirty ridge, which means there's moisture and cloud cover, so not like bluebell days or anything like that, but some mid and high level cloud cover coming with it. And part of that too is just related to this little low pressure system underneath that is kind of weakening the ridge a little bit. And then we also have pretty good southwest flow, and this is a good direction to bring a lot of moisture into the area. So a lot of that moisture will be coming up and then over the ridge and mostly into northwest and west central Montana in these areas. Areas that don't get much cloud cover though are going to be susceptible to some valley fog. So we're mainly looking at Tuesday and Wednesday mornings. The threat for fog, mostly from about the southern Mission Valley and then down through the Bitterroot Valley, is where that's going to be most likely. And again, that would mainly affect Interstate 90, Highway 93, and then of course terminals for air travel in Missoula and potentially Kalispell, but I think Missoula is the most likely right now. With this, it's not so bad. It's not so much moisture. The setup isn't just perfect. We're not really expecting long periods of quarter-mile fog, which is a huge impact to aviation. It can shut them down or at least slow them down really a lot for a while. So we're not expecting it to be that bad. Just mainly some couple hours of maybe down to a half mile. That's really what we're expecting at this point. Moving out into the longer term, like I said, towards the end of the week, things are looking pretty good. We do have that other wave coming down on Thursday, but it's really not going to do much, mainly just some light snow passes. And then we're looking at above average temperatures and below average precipitation as we head through this sort of midsection of December. So not a lot going on there. And so just to kind of quick wrap up, snow ends on Monday for most of the valleys. Weak ridge with fog potential on Tuesday and Wednesday. Just a brief hit of light snow at the mountain passes and just in northwest Montana on Thursday, and then warmer and drier than average in the long term. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call anytime. Thanks.